Scan-to-beam is an increasingly popular technology that offers significant advantages for projects involving complex infrastructure like factories, refineries, processing plants, and power plants. The industry deals with massive, intricate, and hazardous environments, making accurate documentation, maintenance, and modifications crucial for safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. Scan-to-beam creates accurate, as-built models of existing facilities. Many older facilities lack up-to-date or complete records, and laser scanning can document the entire site quickly and precisely. The facilities frequently requires modifications and upgrades to existing plants. Scan-to-beam provides a reliable model that serves as the foundation for planning and designing retrofits. Accurate models ensure that new components fit perfectly with the existing infrastructure. In factories, refineries, or plants, avoiding clashes between pipes, machinery, and structural elements is vital for safe and smooth operations. BIM enables the detection of potential clashes during the design phase, preventing costly rework and minimizing downtime. Scan-to-beam aids in safety planning by creating a virtual environment for simulation and analysis. It helps in planning evacuations, designing safe operational procedures, and ensuring compliance with stringent industry regulations. Once the facility is modeled in BIM, it can be used for asset management and predictive maintenance. Facility managers can access detailed information about each piece of equipment and its life cycle, helping in scheduling maintenance, tracking replacements, and minimizing downtime. When facilities or parts of them are decommissioned, accurate scan-to-beam models can help identify hazardous materials, plan the dismantling process safely, and track valuable equipment for reuse.